Ngokusho kwamaphoyisa, umsolwa ubebhace kuleli flat kusukela izolo. Ufike lapha engumuntu obezoboleka imoto komunye umuntu oziqashisayo nohlala kulama flats. Ukhomishana wamaphoyisa esifundazweni uNhlanhla Mkhwanazi uthi bakwazile ukulandela umkhondo wokuthi umsolwa ukuphi besebenzisa amakhamera.
He went to throw money in one of the banks in around the area, not far from here. And we picked him up on the cameras when he went to that shopping center. And the vehicle that picked him up from there, and it's the same vehicle that allegedly picked him up from the house where he was at after allegedly his mother tipped him off. We managed to locate that vehicle.
Amaphoyisa akasele kule ndawo entathakusa namhlanje. Athe uma efika umsolwa wavulela ngenhlamvu ebhekise kuwo.
When the team arrived here, was able to get into this apartment, and in this apartment they knocked and they came in, and unfortunately there was an engagement inside, and the suspect was fatally wounded.
Ngaphambi kokuthi umsolwa ashone, kubikwa ukuthi uvumile kulona abezoboleka kuye imoto ukuthi kukhona icala lenzile eGoli.
Uthe bengasinhloso ukuthi lo ashona. Yena ngokwenza kwakhe uthi ubezifunela imali. Nothing, ayikho into abeyifuna, imali nje kuphela. So kwenzeka ke lokho kwenzekile ke, and umuntu oqala lo oshonile kuyena. Ama case maningi ushilo no maningi ama case, and enye into emsabisa ukuthi eyoboshwa ukuthi maningi ama case, because ubeseke waboshwa futhi kuBrakpan usho njalo.
Umndeni kaOlorado uphawule kanje emva kokuzwa izindaba zokubulawa komunye wabasolwa.
They deserve to die, just like they did to my daughter.
Quite mixed feelings, the idea would have been to see him and hear him talk for himself and give us the answers that we all are looking for.
On my side, it really doesn't help, because I would have really liked to hear. I would have really liked to see his day in court, or him in court.
Amaphoyisa athole omazisi babantu abangu 28 kumufi kanye nomakhalekhukhwini abangu 20 nesifo semali. Asathungatha abanye abasolwa ababili okuthiwa baseZimbabwe. uOlorado uzofihlwa eBloemfontein ngesonto.